How to clear iPhone cache iOS 16. Here's how to clear cache on iOS 16. First, clear Safari's cache. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Safari, then tap Clear History and Website Data. Tap Clear History and close tabs to confirm. This removes your browsing history, cookies, and cached website files. Next, offload unused apps. Go back to Settings again. Tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Tap an app you don't use often, then select Offload App. This removes the app but keeps its documents and data. You can reinstall it anytime. If an app has a built-in option to clear its cache, open the app and check its settings. Some apps, like streaming or social media apps, let you clear cached files directly. You can also restart your iPhone. This helps clear temporary system files and can improve performance. Finally, if an app is taking up a lot of storage and doesn't have a cache clearing option, delete the app from your iPhone and reinstall it from the App Store. This removes cached data and gives the app a fresh start. Keep in mind that iOS doesn't include a single button to clear all cached files. Most cache must be removed on an app-by-app basis. And that's it. You've successfully cleared cache on your iPhone running iOS 16. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.